Experiencing Apple Intelligence unavailable offline even with Wi-Fi? This isn't always about offline limitations. Apple Intelligence uses both on-device and cloud processing. The issue often arises from a connectivity barrier, preventing access to cloud-based AI features. We'll troubleshoot common causes and solutions in this video. To verify your active internet connection, remember that a Wi-Fi connection alone isn't enough. You need to ensure your network actually provides internet access. Open Safari or another web browser and try to load a web page. If the page loads successfully, your internet connection is working. If the web page fails to load, restart your Wi-Fi router by unplugging it, waiting 30 seconds, then plugging it back in. Alternatively, try connecting to a different Wi-Fi network if available. You can also toggle Wi-Fi off and on in Settings. Go to Settings, then Wi-Fi, and switch the toggle. VPNs and proxies can interfere with Apple Intelligence by blocking or rerouting traffic away from Apple's servers. Go to Settings, then VPN, and disable any active VPN connections. Also, check your Wi-Fi network settings for any configured proxies and disable them. Then, restart Apple Intelligence to establish a fresh connection. A simple restart can resolve temporary glitches and clear the system cache that might be disrupting connectivity. Open Settings, then tap Apple Intelligence and Siri. In the Apple Intelligence and Siri settings, toggle Apple Intelligence off. To restart your iPhone, press and hold the side button and either volume button until the power off slider appears. Slide to power off, then press and hold the side button again to turn it back on. After your iPhone reboots and you return to Settings, Apple Intelligence and Siri, toggle Apple Intelligence back on. Failing to accept updated iCloud terms can block services relying on iCloud, including Apple Intelligence. Open Settings and tap your Apple ID banner. Look for any prompt to accept new terms and conditions and tap Accept. Restart Apple Intelligence afterwards to ensure the changes take effect. Corrupted or misconfigured network settings can block connectivity even with a Wi-Fi connection. To reset them, navigate to Settings, then General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, Reset, and finally Reset Network Settings. Enter your passcode when prompted to confirm the reset. After the reset, reconnect to your Wi-Fi network manually and test Apple Intelligence connectivity. System updates often include bug fixes and improvements to network and service connectivity used by Apple Intelligence. Go to Settings, then General, then Software Update. Download and install any available iOS updates. After the update, restart your iPhone and test Apple Intelligence functionality again. If none of the previous solutions resolve the Apple Intelligence offline issue, there may be a device-specific or account-related problem that requires professional diagnostics from Apple. The first option is to use the Apple Support app, which provides direct access to troubleshooting tools and support requests. Alternatively, you can visit the Apple Support website at support.apple.com to start a support request online. For more comprehensive help, consider visiting an Apple store where technicians can perform hardware and software diagnostics on your device. Apple support specialists can identify and resolve complex issues that basic troubleshooting cannot address.